On a sunny day, a red apple and an orange carrot decided to go on an adventure into the forest. The apple said excitedly, "Let's explore the forest and see what's inside." The carrot smiled and replied, "I'm excited too. Let's start our journey." As they wandered through the dense trees, they came across a small stream flowing between the rocks. The apple said, "Let's play by the water for a bit." The apple sat on a rock next to the stream, while the carrot dipped its ends into the water. While they were enjoying themselves, they noticed a small squirrel busy gathering nuts. The apple approached and asked, "Do you need help with collecting the nuts?" The squirrel replied, "I do need help because I want to collect as many nuts as possible before winter comes." The apple and the carrot decided to help the squirrel collect the nuts. They worked together, picking up nuts from the ground and helping the squirrel store them in its stash. The squirrel was very grateful and said, "Thank you so much. You've helped me a lot." After finishing with the nuts, they continued their walk through the forest. They found a small bird stuck in a net between the trees. The carrot said, "We need to help this bird." The apple and the carrot carefully worked to untangle the net. They finally freed the small bird, which chirped happily and thanked them. The bird said, "You are heroes. How can I thank you?" The apple replied, "It's no trouble at all. We're just happy to help." Continuing their journey, they discovered a beautiful flower garden full of vibrant colors. The apple said, "These flowers are amazing. Let's take some pictures to remember this adventure." While enjoying the flowers and taking pictures, they started to feel a bit hungry. The apple and the carrot decided to have a small picnic. They took out some food from their bag and enjoyed a tasty meal under the warm sun. After their picnic, they decided to head back home, but they found that the way was more challenging than they had expected. The apple used its core to draw markers on the trees to help them find their way, while the carrot walked slowly to make sure they stayed on track. After a bit of effort, they safely arrived back home. The apple said, "It was a wonderful adventure, but I'm glad we're home." The carrot replied, "Yes, and the most important thing is that we helped our friends in the forest." They then went to sleep, looking forward to new adventures.